Hello and welcome to our website www.syft.in, a perfect platform to study online within the convenience of your own place or home. So if you are preparing for any competitive or entrance exam, immediately enroll yourself to our website www.syft.in. In this video, we will talk about SSC CGL exam. SSC CGL is most sought after exam conducted by Staff Selection Commission. This exam is being conducted in three phases: Tier 1 Preliminary, Tier 2 Main and Tier 3 Computer Proficiency Test and Skill Test. The examination is conducted in three tiers as indicated below. Tier 1. This is a 75-minute examination having 100 questions and total 200 marks. For each correct answer, a student scores 2 marks, and for each incorrect response, a penalty of 0.5 mark is given. There is no penalty for not attempting questions. The score obtained in Tier 1 examination is added in the final score to arrive at the merit list. There are 4 sections for Tier 1 exam: reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English language and general awareness, and each section consists of 25 questions. Now in Tier 2, there are 4 papers conducted in Tier 2 exam. Paper 1, Quantitative Abilities, 200 marks, 100 questions. Paper 2 is English Language and Comprehension, 200 marks, 200 questions. Paper 3 is Statistics, 200 marks, 100 questions. And Paper 4 is General Studies, Finance and Economics for 200 marks. Tier 1 and Tier 2 are computer-based tests. Tier 3. Instead of interview, Tier 3 has been inducted, which will require candidates to write essay, letter, application in either English or Hindi. There will be no sectional cutoffs, but a candidate will have to qualify all the three phases: Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. So now you know about the process of SSC CGL exam. And if you are planning to try your luck in this exam, please register yourself to our website www.syft.in to see all the details of exam. Pattern of exam and detailed syllabus consist of customized lessons, quizzes, tutorial covering entire course of SSC CGL exam. So best of luck and start your preparations now. Thank you very much for your time.